Bitch, I'm back. I'm popular demand.
What's up, YouTube? It's That's Nicole, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I forgot to record my intro. So yeah, right now I'm just unboxing this wig that I received from Afsisterwig. So yeah, to get straight into it, they sent me over a 18-inch wig, Brazilian with Swiss lace. So yeah, please bear with me because this will be my first time installing a frontal in my own head in like 2 years, and this will be my first time installing a Swiss lace frontal, period. So yeah. So to talk a little bit more about this lace, this company specializes in Swiss lace wigs. Regular companies, their default wig will probably be a regular lace. However, as you can see, the Swiss lace is a little bit thinner and non-detectable compared to a regular lace. Regular laces you'll probably have to tint and do stuff like that so it can match your skin. With Swiss lace, you can literally just slap it right on and it's going to melt down into your skin so thin, and it gives you that scalp look.
So as soon as I close my eyes, I was saying to love goodbye.
What I liked the most about this wig, honestly, was the hair. I loved how thick the hair was. You know, because a lot of companies be sending out those thin old wigs. This hair was full from the top to the bottom. I literally fell in love with this wig. I wore it the whole time I was out of town.
Broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over. No more empty conversation. Next time I will be totally sure. Oh, don't want the pain of falling in love. It's more than my whole heart should know. So I listen to all advice and remember each time I cry. But I guess I'm only broken hearted. Life's not over.
So as you can see, I already glued my cap down and I covered it in foundation to match my skin color. And I'm going to lay down my first layer of glue and smooth it out, and I'm going to blow dry it on cool. Please bear with me through this applying this wig process. Like I said, I'm a little rusty because I haven't done this on myself in so long. If you really know me, then you know I love closure wigs versus frontal wigs. I don't know, I'm too lazy to install a frontal wig every day, and I like to take my wig off every night. So that's just me. So yeah, just bear with me, y'all. I was getting ready for a funeral. I really didn't have that much time.
I think about you all the time. I'm lonely, broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over.
So after I apply the wig, I'm just gonna press the lace down into the glue. So right now I'm just proceeding to cut the lace off. I like to cut my lace with a razor blade to get a more precise cut. And on the parts that I feel like I'm gonna cut myself, I'm gonna use some scissors.
Only broken hearted, life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely. Broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over. I'm young, but I'm wise enough to know that you don't fall in love overnight. That's why I thought if I took my time, that everything in love would be right. So as soon as I close my eyes, I was saying to love goodbye, but I guess I'm only broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely. Broken hearted, it's a hurting thing to get over.
So proceeding to lay my baby hair, I didn't want to do too much, and plus I didn't have that much time as I mentioned. So yeah, I just did the 2 swoops and some big sideburns.
Don't want the pain of falling in love. It's more than my whole heart should know. So I listen to all advice and remember each time I cry. But I guess I'm lonely, broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. But as soon as I close my eyes, and I remember each time I cry, oh, never thought I'd be alone again. That's why I asked you to be my best friend. Don't you know you're always on my mind? I think about you all the time. I'm lonely, broken hearted. Life's not over. I can start again while I'm lonely, broken hearted. It's a hurting thing to get over. Da, 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 da. I'm broken hearted. Oh,
looks. As you can see, it was a nice and easy install. I apologize for my facial expressions throughout this whole video. I was actually arguing with somebody the whole time I was installing this wig. So yeah, that's probably why I look so irritated. I apologize. But yeah, as you can see later on, I switched it out for a side part. I thought the side part was just cuter. I don't know. I like the little messy look. So yeah, as you can see, this lace was laid. You couldn't see anything. It was coming out of my scalp, period. What's a wig? Because that was my hair. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in a later video.